guys, it's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Cardano. Now, the big headline right now is Cardano getting an ETF approval. So now we could see that the market has kind of also been dumping ever since then. That is to show you that the ETF is not really what is actually raising eyebrows right now. That is why you are here. We are trying to at least be ahead of the market in the sense of knowing what to do, when to do it, and the right time to do it, and also how to do it. Now, by knowing when to do it is now. The ETF approvals, they are getting here. Some have already been approved, I guess. Some has been approved, and the market is still going down. We know what happened in 2024, how BTC got approved, but at the end of the day, Bitcoin kept on going down. But all of a sudden, as soon as the uncertainty was able to settle down, we all know what happened to BTC and ETH. We definitely know what happened to those two cryptocurrencies, Ethereum and BTC. We definitely know how that played out. So now I need you to picture that at the back of your head, though these ETFs won't take that long because Bitcoin and Ethereum has already taken the bullets at early 2024. But now that we are in Q3 of 2025, we definitely know how this is going to play out. It won't take as long as a month or two before these coins will start rallying. But we definitely know for sure that these coins will start rallying immediately because we now know what the ETFs can do, the positive stuff the ETFs can literally bring into the market or exposure. So right now, we will see that Cardano broke below this major support, which was 0.546, and it is trying as much as it can to recover, bounce back. So hopefully we'll get a move like this. We'll break out from this resistance as we are breaking right now, find support at 0.546, and we could rally to our next resistance, which is 0.591. Now this particular level is where we need to consider, because as you can see, we'll be getting a lot of bounces from that level. We got a bounce here, a bounce here, we got a bounce here. So now we need to definitely break above this resistance right here. If we don't break above this resistance, I honestly do not know what to say to us. We need to try as much as we can to break above that resistance. If not, we will definitely get a move like this. As you can see, we will definitely get a move like this. So that is just basically it for Cardano right now. Cardano is still kind of trading underwater. If you look at it from the daily time frame, Cardano is kind of trading really low, which is actually the right time for you to start buying it. The only time I might possibly get into Cardano is if Cardano can dump to this level, which I actually don't want that to happen, because for Cardano to dump to this level, it means the whole market will come crashing. So I do not want that, but it's I have no other choice. But with look of things, it seems to me that Cardano is kind of good in the sense of, if I have to make sure that this is done properly. So I think this is kind of okay, because if you look at it from this perspective, it is actually what needs to be done. So if we can find support at the end of the day, it's still the same thing. There is a Fibonacci level at 0.545. So if we can find support at 0.545, there's every possibility for us to rally to the upside and break this resistance right here to the next possible resistance on the weekly. I think on the weekly, the next resistance from the Fibonacci is 0.70, which is 70 cents. So we definitely need to keep our eyes open for these levels right here. But we definitely know for sure that this is the level we definitely need to find support, 0.545 or 546. Then we could find support with confirmation candle and volume. We could rally to 0.59 or 0.56 or 60 cents. Now we could see the news. US SEC approves for Solana, XRP, and Cardano ETF. Is the altcoin summer next? So we could see right here that the altcoin market has followed Bitcoin BTC in mid-term weakness amid historical demand for institutional investors. The crypto market cap declined by around 4% in the past 24 hours to hover about 3.3 trillion on Tuesday, July 1st, during the mid North American trading session. So, amid the mid-term crypto bearish outlook, on-chain data analysis shows institutional investors have continued to accumulate relentlessly. For instance, the US spot Bitcoin ETFs, led by BlackRock, recorded a net cash inflow of about $102 million on Monday, thus registering 15 consecutive days of cash inflows. Will US SEC's approval of spot altcoin ETF trigger market reversal? Yes, I think so. This is me speaking, but we definitely need to consider this as a great news. I know that the uncertainty in the market is not making this a big deal now, but we definitely need to know that it is a big deal right now as we speak. Yes, this is a big deal. You know it's a big deal. You don't have to wait for everyone to start knowing that it's a big deal, because once everyone starts knowing it's a big deal, you should know that it's already late for you. So now you know early that this is a big deal. Now it now depends on you to start accumulating or opening a long position on Cardano. So this is literally all I have to say on Cardano. I have nothing other than what I have said right now. So if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.